welcome back to another Travel 101 experience. Before we get started, we would love to know where you're watching from. Let us know in the comments below. Recently on a trip to Slovenia, we stayed in their capital city Ljubljana at the Ibis Hotel. We chose this hotel as it was conveniently located right outside the old town centre and within walking distance to nearly everything. Once we arrived, we parked our car in the car park next door and headed to the rooftop to check in. While they were checking us in, I had a look around and I noticed the terrace. I did also see there was parking available at €22 a day, but you needed to pre-book. There was also a cafe, a selection of drinks and snacks that could also be purchased. There was also a chill-out area, a ping pong table and a kitchen. Then it was time for us to head to our room. Upon first impressions, we felt the room was very modern. Right near the front door was a bathroom, and next to it was a modern shower with a few extra toiletries. It also had a waterfall shower head. There was a double bed in the center of the room opposite a sink, which had a mirror and PowerPoint next to it. Opposite to the bed was a TV that looked onto a large window. This made the room feel really light-filled and bright, so the room didn't feel too small. There was also a few extra touches such as hooks and a coat rack to hang up some additional items. In addition, the room also had a hairdryer and free Wi-Fi. The next morning, we headed up to the rooftop to check out the breakfast options. Our room didn't include breakfast, but it could be purchased for €15 per person. The breakfast looks like it had all the usual selections you'd expect, such as eggs, bacon, cold cuts, fruit, and bread. I ended up going for a croissant and an espresso. We stayed 2 nights at the Ibis and really enjoyed it. We hope you enjoyed watching us stay here. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with all our Travel 101 experiences. Thank you so much for watching, and we really look forward to seeing you in our next video.